Your Hyundai electric vehicle uses a regenerative braking system to recuperate and store energy when the vehicle is decelerating. The system can be customized to suit your driving style and has 4 distinct levels of regenerative braking available. Level 3 regenerative braking provides the maximum amount of brake regeneration. Releasing the accelerator when level 3 is engaged will provide strong braking forces and may cause the brake lights to illuminate. Level 2 and Level 1 provide lower amounts of brake regeneration and will still provide braking force. The brake lights may illuminate when Level 2 is engaged. Level 0 provides no brake force, allowing the vehicle to coast when the accelerator is released. The 2 paddles on the steering wheel are used to adjust between the 4 levels of regenerative braking in real time. Briefly pulling and releasing the left paddle will increase regenerative braking by 1 level each time you pull and release it. Doing the same on the right paddle will decrease the level of regenerative braking. You can see the current regenerative braking level on the instrument cluster. Remember that the higher the regeneration level, the more braking you will feel when releasing the accelerator. You can choose which driving level is most comfortable for your driving. You can also use the Smart Regeneration system. When activated, it will control the regenerative braking automatically according to the road grade and approaching traffic in front of you. To turn it on or off, pull and hold the right paddle shifter for more than 1 second. You'll see the Auto Regenerative Braking indicator. The system will operate at speeds above 6 miles per hour when the road grade changes, or when the distance to vehicles ahead changes. Once auto is turned on, you can adjust the braking level via the paddle shifters, just like you would for normal regenerative braking. You can choose between slow, smooth deceleration, normal, or faster deceleration. You can also adjust the braking level of Smart Regeneration in the EV vehicle menu. Select Electric Vehicle, then select Settings, and then Smart Regeneration. Choose from Faster, Normal, or Slow Smooth Deceleration. Smart Regeneration will temporarily be disabled when the Electronic Stability Control System is operating or the Smart Cruise Control System is operating. Once those systems stop operating, Smart Regeneration will resume operation automatically. One pedal driving and iPedal are 2 more ways that you can tailor regenerative braking to your liking. See the description for links to videos on these features. For more information on these features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at myhyundai.com, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.